Do you need a super easy to make pork chop recipe? Well, this is the one. Look how delicious those look. The color, the flavor is amazing. And these were baked right in the oven. Super tender, super soft. Let me show you how I made these super delicious oven baked pork chops. For this recipe, I'm using 5 center cut pork chops, and these are the seasonings that I'll be using. To start off with, I'm adding a Zesty Italian dressing. I'm going to add enough to have these all covered. And for the seasonings, I'm using adobo, garlic powder, and onion powder. I'm going to use black pepper, some oregano, Italian seasoning, and for color, I like to add some paprika. The seasonings will be up to you. You can add, omit, or change. And once that's done, I'm going to start mixing all the flavor in each one of these pork chops, making sure each one gets covered. And now I'm going to cover these with some saran wrap, and I'm going to place it in my refrigerator to marinate for at least 2 hours. You can do overnight if you like. After 2 hours, I'm going to start placing these on my baking sheet. I do have this with some parchment paper, and I'm going to bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Make sure you cover it with some foil so all that juice doesn't come out or doesn't dry. After 20 minutes, I'm going to flip it over, bake uncovered for 10 minutes, and then flip one more time and bake again for another 10 minutes. And these oven baked pork chops are done. And all that juice that was left over, just pour it all over the top. These were honestly so delicious. Enjoy.